Hi everyone, welcome to day 23 of the 30 days Power Query Editor Challenge. Yesterday we learned how to remove errors. Today we are moving into something very powerful. And what is that? It is how to use manage parameter in Power Query Editor. How to create parameter in Power Query Editor. So parameter, what is parameter? Parameter makes you query, it makes your query very dynamic and also very flexible. It makes your query very portable and you can also reuse it. It makes it very flexible. So instead of hard coding, maybe you are doing hard coding a filter, you can actually let your user or yourself to control the value from one place. So parameter makes your work very easy and also make it very flexible, easy to filter different category that you want to see in your report. So before we go into Power BI, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, Justina Raphael-Ojo, and click the notification button to receive update on all the tutorial that we share every day so that you won't miss any of this tutorial. So now for this we are in Power Query Editor now. This particular data, assuming I want to filter only for West, I want to just check West, you can actually create a parameter that will help you to easily filter for each of these. So now let's do that now. So you are going to go to home, then click on manage parameter. This is manage parameter, then click on new parameter. Now it's going to bring you this particular window or dialog box. So now I'm going to write, what's the parameter name? My parameter name is region. My parameter name is region. Then you can decide to write description. So, and what is my type? The type of the or of my or what's the type? That's the data type. It is text. Click on any value. Then what's the region you want to use for West? I have different, and this is very sensitive. It is case sensitive, so you have to write what is in your data here. So I click on West. Now my parameter has been created. Now if I go back to my data, now I now want to filter for West. Instead of, maybe you have large customer, or maybe or country that you want to filter for. So I will just go to equals to. Then once you click equals to, then you click equals to. So let's start again. You go to filter, right click here, then text filter, then select equal. Once you select equal, then you click on this ABC here that you are seeing. Then you click parameter. So this is your parameter and you click OK. You can see that it's easily filtered for West. Now I can decide to go and manage my parameter and change my parameter. Maybe I want to change it to, or I want to change it to list all the value. I want to change it to list all the value there. So my first value is West, then my second value is East, my third value is North. My third value is North. Then what's my default value? I want to make my West to be the default value. Then you are going to write it also here. Click OK. So now if I go back to this place now, if I click on West, East here now, it's going to filter for East. If I go back and click on East, North, it's going to filter for North only. Okay, now you can see now the reason why we are not seeing this North is because the spelling, we are having a spelling error. So I'm going to correct that. I'm going to correct that. Then I'll go back. You can see now that it has filtered for North. The same thing, if you want to see only the customer, you definitely see the customer for each of these category. You can create parameter for that. And one of the best thing again, you can decide to close and apply and take it to your Power BI report. Once you load it into, I'm loading it into Power BI reports now. Loading into Power BI report. So decide to put it into Power BI report, and you can decide to even filter using parameter in your, that parameter that you have created in, or in your Power Query editor in Power BI report. So now let's quickly do that. This is my sale, and then I have a region table. I want to create a table, customer, then region. Remember, we only filter for, this should be a table. We only filter for west. We only filter for north when you are doing our parameter. So in case you want to see, then I will create my sales. So now in case I only want to see my west. How do I achieve that now? I'm going to go to home, then go to transform, or transform data, then edit parameter. Once you edit your parameter, you know I've already created the list. Click OK, then click apply change. You can see how powerful this particular feature is. The same thing, you go to change it again. You can decide to change your parameter, change the list of your parameter, then and click on hist. So whatever you change, whatever the changes you make in your parameter while you are creating it, is going to reflect even in your report. It's going to reflect in your report. So parameter is is an important tool in Power Query editor, and it's very useful, it's very flexible, it makes our work very easier and also very portable to you. So today you can also decide to use it in different things, like using parameters to switch between test and production file, to define custom reports such as quarterly report, also sales threshold. So today we've learned how to create parameter in Power Query Editor, use them to filter data dynamically, and also build a parameter table for even more flexibility. So with parameter, you can gain full control without touching the query every time. Now it's your turn to create a parameter in your data set. Apply them to filter your data dynamically. Comment below. I want to see your comment section. Like this video, share, and also subscribe to my to my channel. So today's question is, what's one situation where you think parameter could save you one time? Don't miss tomorrow's section. Bye.